close your eyes for a moment and imagine that every bit of oxygen on Earth suddenly vanished. Not forever, just for 5 seconds. Yes, only 5 seconds. You might think, well, I can hold my breath for 30 seconds anyway. But this has nothing to do with your breath. The problem is the planet itself. Those 5 seconds are more than enough to turn Earth unrecognizable. Take a deep breath. That feeling of comfort you get? It's because the air you breathe is made of 21% oxygen. The other 78%? Mostly nitrogen. So oxygen isn't even the most abundant gas in our atmosphere, yet it is the very essence of life. Without it, there are no plants, no animals, and absolutely no humans. So, what exactly would happen during those 5 seconds of disaster? Earth runs out of oxygen. The horrors that unfold in just 5 seconds. Concrete buildings collapse instantly. The Hoover Dam? The Dome of the Pantheon? Every massive structure you've ever seen? They all crumble into dust in a heartbeat. The reason is simple. The chemical bonds that hold concrete together cannot exist without oxygen. No oxygen equals no structure. Concrete becomes nothing more than a pile of powder. Metals fuse together like they were welded. Normally, metals are covered by a thin layer of oxidized coating that protects them. When oxygen disappears, that layer disappears too. Metals instantly lock together the moment they touch. Literally touching metal, fused metal. The ozone layer vanishes. The sun burns your skin. Ozone is made entirely from oxygen. No oxygen, no ozone. UV radiation slices straight through your skin. If you're on a beach, even a couple of seconds will cause severe burns. Atmospheric pressure collapses. Eardrums burst. Oxygen makes up 21% of our atmosphere. Remove that 21% in an instant. Atmospheric pressure crashes. It's like diving from the surface straight down to 2,000 meters. Instantly. Your ears can't equalize. The inner ear gets damaged. Flames go out. All transportation stops. No oxygen. No fire. No fire. Combustion engines die. Meaning cars stop, ships stop, motorcycles stop, and airplanes, they don't just lose power, they start falling from the sky. Anything that isn't electric goes silent. The sky turns black. The sky looks blue because sunlight scatters off oxygen molecules in the atmosphere. Remove oxygen, no scattering, the sky becomes pitch black, just like you're floating in outer space. The Earth's crust begins to fracture. 45% of Earth's crust is made of oxygen. If that massive portion disappears even for 5 seconds, the crust loses its structure. The result? Cracks tear across the surface. Breaks and ruptures form. The ground starts collapsing. The upper layer of the planet becomes unstable. This isn't an earthquake, it's the planet's skeleton falling apart. Don't worry, you can breathe again. As terrifying as this scenario sounds, it's just a what-if thought experiment. In reality, something like this will never happen. So, take a deep breath. There's still 21% oxygen in the air. And for more mind-bending, what if the world changed like this? Scenarios, keep watching. What if?